Have you ever eaten this wonderful pomfret, that too 5 varieties in one go? We're going to see it today. Learn the art of cutting fish for the masala fry. Changing our color, our texture, our flavor, everything. Only possible in Vahchef. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef. When I get this kind of small fish, I don't like to put in the gravy or anything. I want them to be fried, and that to be fried nice and crispy. Today we're going to make 5 variations of the fry. Just for half a kg, you can get 5 variety of fish fry at your home, and it is very easy. All you need to do is learn the art of cutting fish for the masala fry. The first one, I'm going to cut the fish for a crispy fry. Usually in the Japanese cooking and all that, they use this kind of cut like this. Look at this, beautiful and nice cut. And here, make sure it touches almost the bone, and do the same thing on the other side. When you do this, your fish will come nice and crunchy. The second one is very popularly used for marinating in the Indian style. In the tandoori fish or anything, put the gashes like this. Only one side gash, the masala can penetrate. Same thing on the other side, cut it like this. So I'm going to do the other fish also like that. Today we're going to use this fish to make the Rava fish, and one we're going to make with the green masala and one with regular white one. The next one is for the wet masalas, especially if you are using coconut for Chettinad and all that kind of thing. All you need to do is just do a straight cut, and try and keep it close as possible so that the masalas stick inside. Lot of masala, even coating the fish. That's when you cut like this, so that the masala will stick and the fish will come nice. No matter what fish you're using, what kind of masalas you're going to put, just take some salt and add some lime juice and coat the fish. And do not do it way in advance. You know, whether shrimp or a small fish like this are very, very sensitive. A little bit of salt and the lime will give a very nice refreshing taste for your fish. And even if you have a little bit of old fish, it will freshen that fish up. This is all ready. Now we are going to make different masalas and fry the fish. For the first fish, I am going to use the chickpea flour. Just 1.5 teaspoon of besan. In this, add a little bit of rice flour. The rice flour will make it a little bit crunchy, and I am going to add ajwain. Ajwain and fish also, great combination. Little bit of ginger garlic paste. We are going to add nice color to this. So, Kashmiri chilli powder. This is not hot. This will give you good color. A lot of people, when they buy fish fry, they want some nice like chicken 65 red color. In this, very little salt, because already we added salt in the fish. Mix all of this. Add a little bit of oil also. Pour in some water and make it like a paste cum batter. You check the taste. Perfect. This can go on the fish now. Take this, apply into the gashes. All the gashes like this, on the other side also. Leave it out to coat like this for 15 minutes, and then we're going to fry. The masala is coated, the ajwain, everything is nice flavorful, and then in the hot oil, fry till they are nice and golden. And this is the most of the street style vendors, they do this kind of method. It's because it is very, very easy. This is beautiful. The second fish is also going to be nice and crispy, but here just take some corn flour, take some all-purpose flour, add a little bit of ginger garlic paste. Here I am just adding pinch of coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, but here I am not adding the Kashmiri chilli powder, I am adding the red chilli powder, or you can add pepper, whichever one you like. And if you want flavoring, I am going to add some curry leaf. This one, same thing, we are going to add a little bit of water and then apply to the fish. And this is with Maida and corn flour. But there is a technique, that means we are going to coat this again in the dry flour. I am going to show you how. You have to check the salt. Perfect. Take another one which again zigzag kind of thing, and now just coat the fish well. The flavor goes in and the fish becomes nice and wet and everything. So this is nicely coated well. Take it, dip it in the seasoned flour. This seasoned flour will give a very nice crispy texture, and the fish will be wonderful. Once you have dusted it, do not try to coat the fish, because ultimately you should be able to see all the gashes. So do it one more time like this, dip it there, extra flour can fall off. Now you will get a nice crispy fish fry. The oil has to be hot. And because this fish is very small, it will be fried in no time. In the flour, I added a little bit of baking powder. The fish will be fried excellent. Look at them. When we fry this fish in the hotels, we can even do the double fry, but single fry is good enough. And look at the fish. It has got such a beautiful gashes and everything can be seen perfectly. So the fish number is XC. You guys know why I'm calling it XC, because last time when I called bhaji something, people were protesting. For making with it suji coated fish fry, you can use any of the masalas, the besan one. I'm going to take this nice crispy wala batter, and in this, all I'm going to do is coat the fish well. I don't need anything, so just the fish needs to be perfectly. The salt and the lime juice was there, that's good enough. The fish has to be coated well, and then we're going to dip this in the rava and fry. You're going to see how. Look at this. This is all perfect. Here is the suji. Make sure it is coated well, including the tails, everything. Suji is very commonly used for a lot of Goa, Maharashtra fish fries, and this fish has been seasoned well. The fish going to fry. In the hot oil, they're going to swim and they're going to come out nice and crunchy. For the rava fish, the secret is the coating well. Whenever you coat the fish, make sure it is slightly liquidy. Even you can use a little bit of egg if you want, but the way I've shown, you don't need anything. The coating will be perfect. Look at this nice white kind of fish is rava. For making with the green, the fish will be coated nice with the green masala. Here I have taken mint, coriander leaf, made a paste out of it. In this, we're going to add a little bit of ginger garlic paste, and now you can add some of the masalas. And I'm going to add some pepper rather than chili powder, and also a little bit of turmeric. Adjust the flavors. A lot of the fish preparations we add turmeric, but in this, none of them I added. Another one, I'm going to add some sambar powder. So dear friends, there is no rocket science here. You can use your own masalas, season entire mixture and mix all of it. All we are trying to do is nicely coat it green in color. So take the fish, apply the nice masala. This one I'm going to put it in the poppy seed. Coat them well. Some of the countries, they don't let you use the poppy seeds, like somewhere in Arab and all that. But in India, lovingly use it. And for making not only the gravies, for fish fry like this. Now fry this in the hot oil. The green masala, of course, it is going to get slightly blackened inside, but the taste will be just amazing. Look at all of these fishes. They are all like, God, we swam together in one color and one shape. Look at this chef. He's changing our color, our texture, our flavor, everything. Only possible in Vahchef. Now for making this, we're going to Chettinad masala. So here I've got the fennel seeds, star anise, red chili, coconut, coriander seeds, pepper, cumin, and even poppy seeds. Add a little bit water and we're going to make a paste like this. And this paste is what we're going to use to marinate the fish. I'm going to add some of the salt into this. We're going to coat the fish fully. This one, apply into the fish. Because of the very thin gashes, it will nicely settle in. The same thing on the other side. I coated a lot of masala, but the masala is nice and spicy. We're going to fry the Chettinad fish fry, the last one. Finally, the last Chettinad one is all ready. Look at these wonderful fish fries. They're excellent and ready to eat. So dear friends, the crunchy fish fry. What is this tail doing? Even this tail is become absolutely tasty. When you fry this so perfectly, so tasty, the fish will be super, super delicious. Maybe the bone will come out of it very easily. And one more. This bomba is super hot, smoking, and yet super delicious. So bit by bit, wow. The art of eating fish is something very good. I'm telling you, never eaten such delicious fish. Absolutely fantastic. This is all nice and crunchy. Every bit. Wow. Best of the best fish in the world. The same thing will continue with fish after fish. And again, you got to believe this fish is just out of the world. This is with the suji, very popular in Goa and other region. Wow. And the next is this one with the poppy seeds. Marvelous, and the poppy seed added excellent flavor to it. This one is the street vendor kind of thing, and this is also super tasty and like masala dar. The great flavor of Ajwain, everything. And if you want to eat something masala dar, especially with rasam rice and sambar rice and even with the curd rice, I love the Chettinad masala because this one is got the nice extra masala. What aroma, what a taste. This one, the whole Indianness, the total, I should say, South Indianness because all the Chettinad flavors.